Hi there! In this video, we are going to explain something that puzzles a lot of homeowners. How does an air conditioner work? Don't worry, this won't be overly technical. I'll break it down in a simple, straightforward way that anyone can understand. We have worked on countless air conditioners, and I often get asked this question. Over time, we have perfected an explanation that keeps things clear and easy to follow. Let's get started. And if you find this helpful, let us know in the comments below. What is air conditioning? Let's begin with the basics. Air conditioning is simply the process of conditioning the air in a specific space. But what does that mean? Essentially, it's all about removing heat from where you don't want it, inside your home, and moving it to a place where it doesn't matter, outside. Think of it this way. Your air conditioner is like a heat-moving service, transporting all the unwanted warmth from your home and dumping it outside so you can enjoy a cooler, more comfortable indoor space. The two-part system. Your AC system is actually made up of two main components. The outdoor condenser unit, that big metal box outside your home. The indoor evaporator coil, a smaller coil usually located near or inside your furnace or air handler. These two parts work together as a team to condition your air, forming what's known as a split system. The outdoor unit houses a coil and a fan, while the indoor unit contains another coil, often shaped like an A, where the cooling magic begins. Heat transfer, the secret to cooling. To understand how air conditioning works, you need to know one basic rule of physics. Heat always moves from hot to cold. For example, if you grab a frosty metal pipe with your warm hand, the heat from your hand moves into the pipe. This is why your hand feels cold after you let go. The greater the temperature difference, the faster heat transfers. This principle is key to how your air conditioner cools your home. Refrigerant, the cooling superstar. Air conditioners use a special substance called refrigerant to absorb heat from inside your home and release it outside. Here's how it works. Inside your home, refrigerant in the evaporator coil absorbs heat as warm air blows across it. The refrigerant, now carrying that heat, travels through pipes to the outdoor unit. Outside, the refrigerant enters the compressor, where it's pressurized, causing its temperature to rise. It then passes through the condenser coil, where the heat is released into the outdoor air with the help of the unit's fan. Once cooled, the refrigerant returns indoors to repeat the process, cooling your home in a continuous loop. Why it works: temperature and pressure. One more physics concept. Pressure affects temperature. When refrigerant is compressed, its temperature rises. When pressure is reduced, its temperature drops. In your AC system, the compressor increases the refrigerant's pressure and temperature. The metering device inside your home reduces the refrigerant's pressure, cooling it back down. This cycle allows the refrigerant to absorb and release heat effectively, keeping your home cool. In summary, to cool your home, your air conditioner uses refrigerant to absorb heat from the indoor air, pump it outside, and release it there. The process relies on basic principles of heat transfer and pressure changes. Indoors, the coil must be colder than the air inside your home, while outdoors, the coil must be hotter than the air outside. This ensures smooth heat transfer and a comfortable living environment. We hope this explanation made the process clear and easy to understand. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to share them in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay cool.